To avoid payment blocks on Netflix in the future, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains active and in good standing. Step 1. Keep payment information updated. Regularly check and update your payment method on your Netflix account. Ensure that your credit card or payment option has not expired and has sufficient funds. Step 2. Monitor account activity. Frequently review your account activity for any unauthorized access or unusual transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, change your password immediately. Step 3. Use a reliable payment method. Choose a payment method that is widely accepted and has a good track record. Avoid using prepaid cards or accounts that may have restrictions. Step 4. Contact your bank. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Set up notifications. Enable notifications for your Netflix account and payment method. This will help you stay informed about any changes or issues with your billing. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your Netflix account remains uninterrupted and free from payment blocks.